Hello everyone, today we discuss about Vhdl data types. First of all, our topic is Vhdl data types. Now first one is Vhdl has a set of standard data types. One is predefined and also built-in data types, and it is possible to have user defined data types and subtypes. Some of the predefined data types in Vhdl are like a bit, boolean and integer. So these are the predefined data types. And the Std Logic, that means standard logic, and also another is Std Logic, standard logic vector underscore standard logic vector. Data types are not built in Vhdl data types but are defined in standard logic IEEE 1164 package of the IEEE library. Therefore, we need to include this library in our Vhdl programming code and specify the standard logic 1164 package must be used in order to use the standard logic data types. So there are two libraries are mentioned in a Vhdl programming. One is library IEEE and another is mentioned use IEEE dot std underscore logic underscore 1164 dot all packages are available. Okay, so first of all we discuss about the predefined data types in a Vhdl, that is bit. So first of all, what is bit? Is a bit. So bit is a data type can only have stored the value 0 and 1. In a bit we are assigning the value of 0 and 1 respectively in a Vhdl code, and the 0 and 1 must be encoded in a single quotes. Next one is the bit vector. So what is bit vector? So bit vector data types is a vector version of the bit type consisting of 2 and more bits, and each bit vector can only have the value 0 and 1 respectively. For assign, if we bit vector, when assigning the value of bit vector, then it must be noted in a double quote. Here 4 bit vector are used, 1 2 3 4 or 0 1 2 3, and must be mentioned in a double quote. Next we defined the standard logic in a Vhdl. The Std Logic, or known as standard logic in a Vhdl, are first of all don't care, then logic 0, then logic 1, and number 4 is very important, high impedance state, or this is also known as open circuited condition. Okay, next one is, and it is remembered that standard logic data type the use for the to assign any pin or any logic in a any IC output or input, then these 4 conditions are available. Next one is Std Logic vector, standard logic vector, Std Logic vector. This is VECTOR, the vector version of standard logic data types. This is an vector version of standard logic data types, and each bit in the set of bits that makes up the vector can have the value of don't care 0 1 or high impedance state. That means in a signal logic, there is a standard logic vector. In a double Q2 we mention 10 10. That means 4 bit standard logic which is represent 1010, or 4 high impedance state, that is 4Z, or either 2Z, or either 20 or 101. This is also logic assigned for any signal vector. Okay, now we talk about, this is the basic data types which is defined in a Vhdl. Now we talk about Vhdl operators. So what What are the Vhdl operators? First of all, the logical operators. These logical operators are assigning for gate implementation, logic gate, like a NOT operation, that is invert, like a AND operation, okay, like a OR operation, like a XOR operation, like a NAND operation, like a NOR operation. These are known as the logic operation. Number 2 is arithmetic operation. So what is that? Is this is addition, this is subtraction, this is for multiplication, this is star sign, this is division, ABS for absolute value, mod for modulus value, remainder, if we get any remainder then we use this rem, and this is for exponential value. For any exponent, this is double star is used. Number 3 is used for comparison operator. Number 3 is comparison operator. This is equal to, this is not equal to, this is less than, this is greater than, this is less than or equal to, this is greater than or equal to. Now we talk about the shift operators which is used in a Vhdl, and these operators are basically used for counter or register designing purposes. First of all, SSL. This is basically shift left, logical shift left. This is logical shift right. This is SLA, shift left arithmetic. This is SRA, means shift right arithmetic. This is ROL, means rotate left. This is similar similar concept from any microprocessor instruction, rotate left, and this is ROR, means this is basically ROR means rotate right, and this is shift left arithmetic. A stands for arithmetic and L stands for logical, okay. And so this is the basic parameter, and first of all, this is the Vhdl operators and Vhdl data types which is used in Vhdl programming.